Why isn't this opening?
Mr. Amin, we were going to buy bread. I mean, all of us were.
Where in the world are you, Neşe?
Right over here, Mr. Amin. Look at us.
Do you want bread, dear Neşe? You can, of course, take it from the cupboard. I have things to do. I'm going to Mr. Mahmoud's. He wanted roasted chickpeas.
Step aside! Step aside! The protector of the innocent, Super Mutlu, is coming! Fly! Fly!
Yeah, Mutlu, is that you, boy?
No, I'm not Mutlu, Mr. Emin. I'm Super Mutlu, and I will rescue everyone.
Yeah, Neşe was asking me about buying some bread, so just wait a little bit. You'll be able to rescue her later.
No, wait! I'm coming! Fly! Fly!
There's no rain. Whatever, I better go. Mr. Mahmoud is waiting.
Come on, Etta. Quick!
Super Mutlu, fly! Fly!
We tried showing it to him, Dad, but he wouldn't look at us. We did our best, believe me. Oh, we flew right over him. But she's right, he wouldn't look at us.
Yeah, and we even waved at him.
His umbrella was distracting him the whole time, and then he left.
It's a shame he didn't see you guys, but I don't understand what he'd want an umbrella for in this nice world.
Maddie, they come from somewhere very far. Minnie, Maddie, they came to see all new things. Every moment, every day.